Hello there, my name is Ollie from Anchor Vans, and today I have for you the 2023 Fiat Scudo. This is a long wheelbase, medium-sized van with 6 doors. This does come with just over 25,000 miles upon the clock, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, hands-free calling and voice assist, as well as Bluetooth radio, air conditioning, 3 cloth-lined seats, a 6-speed manual transmission, as well as parking sensors and reversing camera as well. And if I do just show you the load area in the back, you can see it is indeed ply-lined, interior lit with cargo rings to handle any load you may want to carry, and a pristine, unscratched and undented bulkhead. I will just show you the load area from the back as well. And if you would like to find out more about this specific van or any other of our vans in particular, then please do feel free to head over to our website, anchorvans.co.uk, or why not come down to our site in Padworth, just outside of Reading, where you can view this van and many other vans and speak to some of our specialists. And maybe one day you might be driving away in this.